2 days ago, we got punched in the face by winter. It's snowing. Heard it's not snowing in California. So that's where we're gonna go.
We hit the road and planned on driving straight through to California. Daylight quickly faded, but we continued heading south. What kept us fueled and motivated to push through the night was the excitement we felt about 2 weeks of adventures and not knowing what they had in store for us. This is episode 1 of our California adventure. Our plan for this adventure was to drive to Lake Siskiyou, park the car, and bike to the far side of the lake. Here's where you get the best viewpoint of Mount Shasta. After checking out the view, we planned on driving through the town and up the mountain to do some exploring.
We made it to Mount Shasta. It's about 5:30 in the morning. We're gonna sleep for a few hours and then we'll get out and do some hiking. We definitely need to sleep. We're both kind of brain dead. We're here in Mount Shasta. We're going to Lake Siskiyou. We're gonna do a little bike ride around the lake. Then we're gonna head up the mountain, get a different view, different perspective. Maybe do a little hiking around there. There's the lake right there. Sweet. Guys, check out Matson's kickstand. A nice easy pedal down to check out the lake. Matson riding his mom's bike as usual. Actually, yeah, that's a girl's bike.
We enjoyed the fresh, brisk autumn air and the colors that came with it. This was our first look at California and its beautiful scenery.
So we got some Canadian geese here on the beach. They came from Canada, just like us. This is cool. Filthy.
Pretty sweet view of Mount Shasta. Now we're gonna go drive up there a ways and try to see how high we can get. It looks like there's a ton of snow, but I'm gonna go check it out.
Well, we've made it up here to Mount Shasta. We're as high as we can go. Over there's the gate. It's closed right now for the winter season. You can only go so far. We got a beautiful day, blue skies, the sun is shining. We're going for a little walk through the snow.
We didn't quite escape the Calgary snow.
Yeah,
That was the plan. We have more snow here.
way more snow. Our thoughts coming down here were to summit this baby, but it's not happening today. Way too much snow. We probably still could. We might need like snowshoes, eh?
This was one of our least challenging adventures, but the epic scenery made up for it. Take every chance you get to spend time outside. It rarely disappoints.
Well, this is as high as we get, probably at about 7,000 feet. The gate's closed, so we can't drive up, and we're not gonna hike up anymore. But some pretty dope views. What a beautiful day. Tune in to ETA next time for another epic trip adventure.
We are doing the McLeod Falls Trail right now. There's 3 different sets of waterfalls. There's lower, middle, and upper. So we're gonna go check out the lower falls first, and then we'll head on up and take a look at the other 2. Should be pretty sweet.
All right, we gotta go down there.